I'm here today with the Eufy video doorbell, and I just want to see how easy this is to install, because I was dreading it a bit to install a whole like doorbell, new video doorbell. But you can use this wired or wireless because it has a built-in battery, so that's pretty nice. This is the E340, but you can get these with different ones. This E340 has 2K and adds a camera that looks at the bottom, but you also have these without that camera that looks at the bottom, or even 4K. It has local storage, so that's pretty nice. And you can connect these with the Eufy home base if you have it, or without, so you don't really need that. So I just want to see how easy this is to install. So let's unbox it and see what we get. So I already am in the Eufy ecosystem, and I love them, right? I have the home base here. I have a wired floodlight camera on the outside looking at my yard, and I really wanted to get one of these. So that looks pretty nice. If you pull this out, the battery will start. You have like a pull tab up here. So a nice unit. It's quite hefty. I love the build quality that Eufy has. So all of the products are really, really sturdy, that sort of thing. So let's see how easy this is to set up. What else do we have in the box? Everything is nicely packaged. You get a Eufy security sticker with every one of their security cameras. So that's also nice. A very large quick start guide, I think in all languages, because we're here in the Netherlands, in Europe. And we also have a lot of languages here. And then positioning sticker. So that's quite nice. So you can position that. Then the case that it's in, what you can connect to your wall outside. Oh, you can have it a little slanted. I think that we're going to do that because it's just a little bit to the side of the door. So I hope it's easy to install as well. There's some connection cables there to connect that to the pre-existing doorbell if you have that. Some mounting screws, a small USB-A to USB-C, and a nice little pin so you can open the compartment, and then some additional connecting cables in there as well. Okay, so first we need to connect it to make sure that it works, right? Before we hang this on the wall, and there's no turning back. So I already have the Eufy security app. I have my camera there looking at the yard. I even have sensors at the doors for security. So I really love the Eufy ecosystem, right? And you can add the plus here and add device. Then there's a lot of different options here to add. So this one is a video doorbell. And you can also add the doorbell chime if you want. There's no chime included with this package, but you also have packages where you get the chime with it, I think. So point the camera towards the QR code, which is right here at the back. And then you can choose how to connect this with just Wi-Fi, with your router. That definitely just works fine. You can store here videos here on the device itself. But if you have a home base, that only adds storage to the home base itself. And so that's a little device right there. And it adds facial detection with that home base system. So you really don't need one if you don't want to, but you could connect all your cameras with one home base. So it could be nice if you have like a Eufy ecosystem with multiple cameras. So I'm going to connect it with home base, but know that you don't really need that. So press the sync button for 2 seconds, which should be here on the back, until I hear a beep. Yes, I heard a beep. Get a QR code. Oh, and scan the Wi-Fi code on the doorbell, and then it can connect to my system.
Setup was successful.
Okay, so that's added successfully. That was really, really quick. So very nice and easy to set up. And then I can give it a device name. So like front doorbell, right? If you have multiple, you can distinguish between them with the front and the rear, or for your garage, or even for your work and your home. You can all connect them to one Eufy app and one Eufy system. All right, so that's already up and running. So let's see the features that we have. You can see a live view here, of course, when you click into it. Let's see, so I have 2 views. Let's turn the sound off. So you can hear the sound as well. But we get some feedback if I do that. So I have 2 views, one the main camera here, And then the secondary camera here for packages, that sort of thing. So I can record if I want to now. Click the sound on and click on the phone icon, and then I can talk to the person that is there. And then of course let's click out of this, and when the doorbell rings, then I can hear a chime. So I hear the chime now through the home base right there, but you also have chimes that you can connect with this, or you don't do a chime at all and you just get your notification here with the live view that you can see. So as soon as I press that, I go into the live view, and this will sound as well. So both the home base and the device will sound. So the person also knows that, that the doorbell rang and it worked. So that's pretty nice. And then you have a couple of additional settings in here. So edge connection, that means it's connected to my home base. It could also say Wi-Fi connection here. Then you can set the motion detection on. So it will detect when someone's at the door. You can set for different reasons: human recognition, powered by home base, so that is that it recognizes that I'm home, or my wife's home, or anyone that I've entered the photo of. Human detection, so just anyone. You can also do vehicle and pet detection if you want to really like record everything. And with this motion detection, you can set the alarm to record events if it sees someone. So what I do, I have my camera outside, and when I go to bed or when I'm away, I set that to record on motion detection. And you can also use your doorbell for that. So you always record like if something is happening. So I really want to add that motion detection for human. And when it recognizes one of us, I'll just turn that off, because I don't really need that. I don't need vehicle detection or pet detection. And you can set it to all motions. So it's pretty nice. Then you have your power manager. You can and there you can set how long you want to record video clips, that sort of thing. And the doorbell let us off with optimal battery life and balanced surveillance and optimal surveillance. You can record up to 60 seconds of footage. So you can set that. If you don't have like... if you don't use this with a battery, I think you can set it to optimal surveillance for that extra video clip. So I think that's pretty nice as well. And then you have the delivery guard. You can set it to off or on. And then you can see if a package has been delivered and receive a notification if that works. Here in the Netherlands, we don't really have people put packages on the front porch or anything. We just have a street right up to or most people have like a street right up to the cars, to the street. So it's not really that common in the Netherlands to have a package left there, but you can have a notification if a package is there, and that's with this one because it has that additional camera on the bottom. So not all of these Eufy security cameras have that, only with that package camera at the bottom there. And then you can set the response settings, so you can do a quick response. And add that, and you can do a ring auto response and set like a voice in there. So if someone comes at the door and they ring the bell, you can set an auto response. Or if that motion is triggered and you're away from home or it's at night, you can also set a voice response to ask people to leave, that sort of thing. So that's pretty nice as well. Then you can set the indoor chime, the home base as chime, the existing doorbell chime, or a mini base or a repeater. So you can also have one like downstairs and then a repeater like in the attic if you're there, and otherwise you wouldn't hear it. You can set different sounds as the chime as well, and also the chime volume. So you can make sure you hear it everywhere. And you can also set Alexa as the chime. So this also works with Alexa. So pretty nice. And then you can combine this. Let's go here. And then you can combine this with the with your settings here. So you can arm that when you're at home or when you're away, and then make sure that you record those motion activations, or even set an alarm if it recognizes, or even set an alarm if it sees someone, but at your front door that doesn't really make any sense, right? So let's install this at the front door. I'll just turn off the power and remove the old doorbell with its power cord. And if you're just going to hang this up on a wall somewhere, you can skip this part, right? So it's very easy, you can just use the battery in there. But if you have a space with an existing doorbell, it's very easy to hang this up. Just remember to cut off the mains, but that pops right off. And then you have your template on where you want to drill. So you have to make sure that wires can go through here, right? And then just put this up to drill where you want. Make sure this wire goes through here and here. And then just screw that in on both sides. Then we just need to connect these two wires to the Eufy backplate here with these two screws. And you also get a couple of additional hooks and clamps if you don't really have those hooks already installed. But this should be enough here to connect this. Because fidgeting with those wires is probably the hardest thing of installing this, because it's not that long, but you have those additional options with longer cables that you can connect if you need to. But once you have that in there, it's actually quite easy. And then just click this into place. Okay, so that is now installed and ready to go. Okay, so now that I have my internet back on, I should be able to use this. Yeah, I can hear it on the inside and out here. I immediately get a video feed. So that is working. Now that we're back inside, I can see that it is wired with the little icon here, so it's no longer on battery, so that worked. That's pretty nice. I can click in it and get my live video feed from both the normal camera and the camera for the packages down below, and I can have all these settings here. So if you want to use this without a home base, you can get a separate chime for this and connect that through the Eufy app. So that's definitely an option. And you can also connect this to the home base for that to chime, or don't use the chime at all and then just get the notification on your phone if you're okay with that. But then if you have multiple people in the house, they each should have the Eufy app and those notifications. So thanks Eufy, very easy to install. And I'm glad I finally upgraded to a video doorbell for added security and added convenience for if I get package delivered, if I'm not at home, and I can talk to someone to say that. And I can see who rings the doorbell, so very nice.